Package dimensions: 5.4 cms, L, by 10.4 cms, W, by 51.0 cms, H. Package quantity: 1. Product type: cable or adapter. Country of origin: China. This D-ring panel fits into a standard 19-wide equipment rack. It features 5 closable D-rings which can be used D-inch enclosed cables inside the rack. The rings measure 1.75 h by 3 d and are easily opened closed. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for hiding cables behind my table. These were perfect for hiding the cable quagmire behind my console table. I attached them to the back of the table with angle brackets, and was then able to wrap the cables, taking up the excess by going back and forth, to make it all perfectly neat. Came packaged in individual boxes. They seem very sturdy. Pleased with the price.